What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. This video is going to be a bit different than all the other videos because I will be showing you guys exactly how I make my money from deving. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from creating coins, and I'm going to walk you through every single step of the way from finding a narrative to launching the coin. Everything will be done in this video. I will be launching a coin live in front of your face and trying to make money all in this video. So without further ado, if you want to start making money in the trenches, I would highly recommend to consider creating the coins instead of trading them. Let's go. And by the way guys, I am not here to sell you a course. I am making this video because I do genuinely make money from meme coins. I do know how to dev. I've been doing this for multiple months now, so keep watching. I will be exposing the entire method right now. Now here's exactly why a couple months ago I stopped trading and then I started creating the coins instead. And that's because I was losing too much money trading. I was buying these coins hoping for the coin to pump, but it did the complete opposite. It dumped and I lost all my money, okay? I blew my first $1,000 on trading, so I stopped, and then I discovered deving. Basically all we're doing is we're creating coins, and then when there's a bunch of buyers coming in, we sell our supply or we clip little by little, and that's exactly how we make money as devs. And the truth is that deving meme coins is actually way more profitable long term than trading, because launching coins literally costs nothing. You can launch as many coins as you want. You just need one coin to go viral and then you're set, okay? And you never know, you could launch a coin and it could go absolutely viral and that could change your life, okay? That's exactly why I love deving, okay? There is no limit to how much you can make, and it is repeatable. You can launch as many coins as you want. So in this video, bro, I will be doing a live example on how to launch coins. I will walk you through every step, okay? Fully transparently, no gatekeeping, no nothing, okay? So keep watching, let's go. And before the FBI kicks down my door, I want to be clear that I am not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. Cap! Now, first of all, you need to decide where to make your meme coins on, which DEX. A lot of devs make their coins on Pump.Fun, which is the most popular DEX, but let me tell you this, Pump.Fun is completely dead. You will make no money launching here just because it's oversaturated and over competitive. There's like thousands of coins being created every single second on Pump.Fun, and yeah bro, these coins, they go nowhere, they get no buyers. So look at this, the same coin got created like 30 times. So what's the point of launching here if no one is going to buy it? Well, that's why I launched my coins on Raydium. By launching your coins under Raydium DEX, you are going to be reaching way more people to buy your coin. More people are going to trust your coin, and you will just get way better potential and results. So that's why I launched my coins on Raydium. To launch here, you guys need to be using a launchpad called launchmemes.io. It's the best launchpad for Raydium. That's why it's being gatekept, and that's why I use it. Let's go. Now, making a meme coin on launchmemes.io is actually really easy. It's just like Pump.Fun, but there's a twist. Now, you could either create a coin from scratch. That's the first strategy. That is up to you, right? Or you can copy trending coins. I've made all my money from vamping coins here. Vamping, by the way, is the same exact thing as copying coins, but basically every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun and is getting some sort of buying activity. They're all proven to get people to buy them, and that's why they're on this list right here. And the strategy here is, instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, you can just copy one that's already working and relaunch that coin back to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers using that narrative. I will do a live example to show you how it's done, bro. It's insane. But anyways guys, let's launch a coin and then try to make some money from this copy. So keep watching and yeah, enjoy. Let's go. So click your phantom white, right? And now let's copy a coin. When I vamp coins, I just go for a random one, okay? All these narratives are here for a reason. Just go for a random one, try it out, okay? Get used to it. I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy the Raydium, right? A warning will pop up, just ignore that. It's completely normal. Every launchpad for Raydium has this warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Just wait. And then boom guys, now let's Well, if you go on Solscan, right, you can see that it's on chain, it's on the Solana blockchain, it's minted, it's legit. Let's create our liquidity pool. Here is really easy, just follow the steps. Once our pool is created, your coin will be officially live on Raydium, and then people will be able to see it and then actually buy in, okay? Now for the amount of coins, click on 90% right here. This preset, click on 90%. For the dev buy right under, this is important for your supply. Like that, if people buy your coin, you make money on your supply. Okay, it's really easy. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 sol. You are not going to lose this. If you want back, you will at the end. Okay, get it back, so it is not lost. Click on create pool. Your phantom is going to show up. Ignore that. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be actually live and created on chain. Bang, click on refresh, and now people can actually buy in our coin. Now guys, I would highly recommend, as a creator of a coin, to go and monitor your chart. So go find your Memecoin, go on the chart and go look at the price action. It's really important. As you guys can see, it's already pumping. Let's go see how much we're up within like 5 seconds. Click on refresh and then that will show you how much we're up. We're up $300 right now. That's insane, guys. And yes, it is legit, it's real money, okay, which is kind of crazy to think about it. But yeah, it's just like a video game. You need to be consistently launching coins every single day or hour, or just stay consistent, right? And yeah, as you guys can see, it's going up. We're at a 14k market cap already. People like our coin. These are all random people buying in. Someone bought for $100. Like, guys, these are all random people buying in, and that's insane. I might let the coin pump. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out, and then we will see how much I made from this launch. We're back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, after like 10 minutes, something like that, we're up like a decent amount. We farmed a lot of creator fees, so that should pay out. Now come back to launch memes.io, click on refresh to see how much we're up, and yeah, bang, we're up $2.7 thousand. And yeah guys, this is real money. Okay, let's actually cash it out inside our phantom wallet. Click on the minus button, do 100%, right? If you want to, here is discretionary. You can do less or 100%. Click on remove liquidity, ignore the warning, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then it should be fully cash out. Bang! We just, cashed out on our meme coin and we sold our supply. As you guys can see, bang, the payout hit our phantom wallet, $2.6 thousand straight inside our phantom wallet. It's all for educational purposes only. Launch memes.io will be linked down below, guys. Just stay consistent. If you want to take this seriously, launch every single day. Just launch, and you never know, bro, one could go absolutely viral.